Hey guys, I'm back with another video. We're focused on making financial decisions based on a healthy, balanced view of money. In today's video, guys, we are going to kind of piggyback off what I talked about in the last video. The last video, I gave you 11 ways to build your credit. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about two awesome resources that allows you to build your credit without running your credit. Yeah, stick around, guys, and let's talk about it. So guys, in this video, I'm going to present to you two resources that allows you to build your credit without hurting your credit. Because most times when you're trying to build your credit or you don't have any credit at all, it is really hard. So the only option really that you have is to get a secure credit card. But when you get a secure credit card, you have to actually pay to get a line of credit. You have to pay either $50, $250, or $500, depending on about how bad your credit is, to actually get a line of credit to start building your credit. That can be a lot. And a lot of the banks are realizing that, and companies are realizing that. So, while we're thinking, oh my goodness, there has to be a better way, there is a better way. So, two companies that I'm going to talk about today are Perpay and Kikoff. And you may have heard about these companies, but I'm going to talk to you about them, tell you what they do, and how they can help you to build your credit. Now, we've all heard of Afterpay and Klarna. I think I'm saying that right. That allow you to purchase things, but purchase them on a payment plan, right? And a lot of you guys have been warned about these resources because when you decide to pay later, they're not giving you any reward for choosing that option. In fact, they penalize you. They wait around for you to miss a payment and they report that to the credit bureaus instead of reporting your on-time payments. So you get absolutely no reward for paying on time, but you get all the penalties if you miss a payment. However, I can see why you may want to purchase things, and pay on a payment plan because life happens. Okay, I always say that, especially when you have kids, emergencies and life happen. So here's a better way though, here's something to think about. The first program that I'm going to talk about is called Perpay. Now, Perpay is similar to payment plan programs, except they're not running your credit to give you this line of credit. What they're doing is they're using your income. So they use your income and your employment history to give you a line of credit. Now, I know what you're saying. You're like, come on, Frugal Girl Guru, you trying to get me in a loan type situation? They do not charge you interest on the items that you purchase. Okay, so they use your employment, they use your income to give you a line of credit or to give you an amount in which you can spend. All right. Now, all of your spending takes place in this app, and they have thousands of stores that you can choose from, different things that are practical that you may need. So things ranging from appliances to electronics, clothing, all those types of things. They give you a wide range of stores to choose from. They put you on a payment plan and you pay in installments, but they automatically take it out of your checking account. So you're not having to worry about any late pay. What I like about it is it doesn't encourage negative spending behavior. Okay, it doesn't encourage negative spending behavior. They encourage you to pay on time, and they also reward you for paying on time. So they do report your positive payments or your on-time payments to the credit bureau, but you have to enroll in their Plus program in order to have it count towards your credit report. And they charge you like $2 a month, and you're building credit. So you're building without them having to run a hard inquiry on your credit score report. So actually report to all three of the credit bureaus, which is excellent. So they report to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Okay. So yeah, that's what I like about them. And like I said, the goal is helping you build credit, and you can cancel anytime, and they're not charging you interest for the items that you're purchasing. Now, like a credit card and like anything, any loan that you take out, you will be penalized for not paying on time. Now, they don't penalize you by charging you late fees or anything like that. They do penalize you by reporting it to the credit bureaus. So you just want to make sure that you have the amount of money that you need to purchase the item. Okay, make sure you plan for your purchase. Don't just purchase just to purchase and you don't have the money for it. So that is the first program. Now, the other program that is really cool is Kikoff. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I see a lot of the videos on TikTok for Kikoff. But let's go a little bit in depth with Kikoff. So again, they are a marketplace, just like Perpay. Okay, they give you a line of credit based on your income and based on the money that you have available, right? And they don't charge you any interest for the purchases that you make. You're paying in installments, but it's a $5 fee to join Kikoff. And they do report that positive behavior to the credit bureau. So any positive payment behavior, on-time payments, they're reporting it to the credit bureaus to help you build your credit. They report to Experian and Equifax. Those are the two that they report to. Now, they do have a $10 monthly program that reports to TransUnion and Equifax. So they allow you to report to all three and with an upgraded plan. But with the $5 plan, you're reported to the two bureaus. And it works just like Perpay, but you're purchasing within that marketplace. So it's not a credit card, okay? Because they're not charging you interest and things like that for your purchases. They are reporting positive behavior. They didn't run your credit to determine your spending limit. It's all based on your income, which I think is a genius idea because it's like it's personalized to what you as an individual can handle, which is great because, yeah, some of us see that credit limit and we think of credit as extra money, and credit is not extra money. It is money that you have to pay back with interest. And what I like about Perpay and what I like about Kikoff is that it is actually kind of allowing you to have that credit feel without the unhinged responsibility of credit, because some of us can go overboard when it comes to credit. So if you need a more controlled way to help you build your credit, if you don't trust yourself with a credit card, I think Perpay and Kikoff are some great resources that you might want to check out. So I have the link down below, guys, of those two resources. I also wrote an article, guys, on my website, kind of going more in depth about those different programs. So you might want to check that out. If you and someone you know are building your credit, make sure that you share this video with a friend. You like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, didn't like. I'm open for honest constructive criticism. And I appreciate you spending time with me and allowing me to help you on your financial journey. So thank you so much and have a good day.